Okay, so my dog needs to stay there because he might attack or something. We're not sure. But
Why are you recording?
why not? Shut up. I'm gonna post this.
There's a water bowl over there for her.
Yeah, right over there.
No.
I think that's it.
I think my sister.
But the dog's apparently named Sadie.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't say who her owner is. Doesn't say a phone number, but it did say some kind of animal shelter or hospital.
Who are you talking to?
The camera. The camera. I'm posting this. Why not? It did.
Someone watches it and they know who the dog is.
No. I just want this. So yeah, I think the dog's cute, but you know. So we already called the place, and
Hi, see, I don't hear.
He's a place.
yeah, we're not calling the police. Why would we call the police over a dog? But it's adorable. We're using our dog's leash. So yeah, it apparently followed my friend home. I mean here. Yeah, didn't say who it was. We already called the place.
Alright.
So yeah, I might get back to you on an update later. Bye.